Want to welcome everyone to Global FX Radio's Market Wrap-Up Show YouTube. I'm your host, Andrew Spanton. Monday, September 21st, 2009. Well, we're looking at 4:48 p.m. Eastern. What a day. Oh, baby. Dollar continues to rally a little bit. Carry forward from Friday's move. Dollar index busting through the 10 EMA. I got to tell you, people, it's not over. It's not over. This move is going to continue. We're probably going to hit, I'd say, up to the 20 EMA. I think, the euro certainly made a nice comeback today, but it's not over. It's not, I would even say, we certainly busted through this support resistance line. Again, this 10 EMA. We're going up here. Absolutely. Dollar index looking good, team. I know, listen, I've been a little back and forth. I know my Twitters, I've been back and forth, but we're going up, baby. Now, I think we have a turnaround Tuesday. I think we could be up big and then down. Absolutely. But I think before the U.S. session is open, even into the U.S. session, I think the futures are going to be down. We'll get into the carry trade in a second, but I think that the pound showed some signs of life. We'll get to that in a second as well. But dollar yen, sterling yen, I'm not looking to short that. If anything, I'm looking to buy it maybe. But sterling yen, to me, I'm scared of it, buying on pullbacks on sterling yen. But with stock market down, cable, I think, probably comes under pressure tonight. Absolutely. But again, look at this dollar yen chart. I think you got to buy on pullbacks. As long as we don't take this low out, I think dollar yen is broken out, gone. Next channel line I see in dollar yen, where is it? Here? That's it. Maybe here. The weekly chart certainly looks a little bit better as far as it can go 93. But right here, support. Nice Fibonacci pullback. This whole zone is buy on territory, baby. This is it. We're going up. I think the dollar's going up, baby. Oh, baby. And, sterling, I know Gartman added to his winning positions, and as you should, but I think he's selling in the hole, baby. I think we double bottom. I'm buying cable. I think cable could have a nice monster bounce on a turnaround Tuesday in sterling. I think we come back, retest the lows. No numbers out of London tonight. No numbers really out of Europe at all to speak of. New Zealand, we got a little bit. Commodity currencies, I think oil we'll get to in a second. Oh, I forgot oil. I'll get back to it. Don't worry. I'll do oil, gold in the market at the end. But looking at, again, this pound dollar, I think we double bottom. I think I'm gonna be short it. I'm gonna look to buy it though down here. Absolutely. I think euro sterling. Can you say doji? Hey, listen, I have not been so Mr. Anti euro sterling. Meaning I've been anti euro sterling, but I've been scared of it. I'm not scared of it anymore. Take a look at that shooting star doji, baby. That's it. I think we certainly, Jojo barked. That's a good sign. I think we come back to 89.50. We come back to this, fill in the gap, so to speak. Certainly hit the 10 EMA. When it comes in, it's going to hit the 10 EMA. Enough is enough. Back and fill, baby. So euro sterling, blue horseshoe, loves euro sterling. You know what else I love? Oh, baby. Jojo just barked, and that's a good sign for this trade because that was about to tell you my best freaking idea. Oh, my goodness. Take a look. Oh, yeah. Euro Canada, baby. Euro freaking Canada. I haven't mentioned this one in a long time, haven't I? And, I thought it hit it. I was a little bummed out that it hit my channel line. We weren't there, and it pulled back nicely. But you know what? The more we look at this thing, the more we see it really didn't hit the channel line. It really didn't. It was close, but no freaking cigar. It didn't hit it. And I'm perfectly lining this up right now. This is perfectly lined. Today, we nail 159. If we don't take out 159, today's highs, and we can hold. Maybe it breaks it out to break it down. They break through. We can hold this level. We can hold the 159.20 when it makes a double top. That's toast. Love it. Love it. Looking at my other ones before I get to the carry trade. Remember, this could be the new carry trade. No, sorry, not this one. I don't see Canada. No, where is it? Where is she? Where is she? Come on, baby. The new carry trade. Remember, this goes up. That means this is going down. The carry trade, so to speak. Remember, right? Aussie's the higher yielder. As this goes down, the Aussie is gaining strength, right? So it broke through major channel line support. We thought maybe this would hold. I got to tell you, this doesn't look so bad. This looks pretty freaking good. I like it. I'm long it. Against this 87, double bottom, certainly a bounce to 10 EMA. Why not? The stock market futures are lower, which I think they will tonight. I think the futures are going to be lower. Absolutely. I think this thing is so due for a bounce. I know a lot of people, myself included, I've lost a nice amount of money in this thing. This is it. And you know what? It did nothing today. But the pound showed strength. Euro sterling showed us something today. We had a reversal in euro sterling. Pound across the board tonight. Blue Horseshoe loves it. Let's look at pound kiwi. Pound kiwi, another one. Nice little morning star there. Reverse hanging man. Look at that chart, baby. Love it. And I'm so sorry about my radio. I went into such a great rant about Obama. You have no idea. By the way, we're pulling out of Afghanistan, just so you know. America as a foreign power, we're not the superpower anymore. We're just a low life. We're like we're with the Chinese and Russians now. We're back down below. Horrible. Anyway, again, just to get an idea, look. This is not done. We broke through the exponential moving average. We broke through the 10. I think we're going down this Aussie down to 85.50 tonight. New Zealand dollar, same thing. I think we're coming into 69.50 to the 20 EMA. We broke through the 10. As nice as this looks, right? It's still no hammer. It's only 3 days down. They break it out. I think we come in lower. Absolutely. And again, this euro dollar, the same thing. I understand that we hit this level. I understand we hit the line. I just think we're going to come to this 45 level. I think we hit this 45 level. Absolutely. And again, this will catch up. Remember, this moves. This is not it's not like the SMA. This is an EMA. So again, this will catch up. It'll be perfect. 145.30, love it. Again, cable, I think, euro sterling, if I'm right, and euro sterling comes in, cable could easily only be down 60, 70, 80 pips, and the euro could tank, if I'm right. And we get a nice big pullback in euro sterling. We're so freaking due. Dollar Canada, another one. Look at this. I'm not done with this, baby. I think this thing, again, this one broke out. This one looks good. Look at this Dollar Canada. Broke through our channel line. Nice pullback. Look, we pulled back on Friday. BOP, SOS. You will be safe. U.S. session, that's a whole nother story. I have no freaking clue. U.S. session, you're on your own. U.S. session, hey, another story. But that Euro Canada, I freaking love it. Euro sterling is a shooting star. Things are so lined up. Problem is, if Dollar Canada does explode, obviously this move will be contained. I don't know if Euro Canada is going to be a big mover, but if I think we can get Euro Canada up to maybe Dollar Canada goes up first and then it sells off a little bit, then we could be talking about maybe a double top. It gets up to 159, and then we get 157.50. Then if you catch the high and the low, sure. All right, sorry. Here we go. Euro yen broken out. No matter how you want to slice it, I'm scared of this thing. I mean, what you figure? The stock market was down, futures were down, this thing was up. It's just unbelievable, isn't it? Unbelievable. Dollar yen, euro dollar held up, dollar yen exploded. You know the drill. You know the story. So again, this thing probably goes high. I think if we get 136 on this, I think yes, we reversed nicely, absolutely. And again, I like the euro short, but I'm scared of dollar yen. I think dollar yen might get to 93. Again, dollar yen looks good. Give you an idea. We have a little time. Weekly chart in dollar yen. Weekly chart in dollar yen. This thing held. Double bottom at 90.20. And again, look at the 10 EMA. That 10 EMA right around 93. So I see this 93 level certainly as a spot that we could certainly go to on dollar yen. And if we do, obviously the carry trade should be relatively strong. It just depends. Absolutely depends. If dollar yen's that strong, is euro that weak? That's the big $1 million question. Sterling yen, save the best for last. Again, I'm going to be done with sterling yen. I'll go to the other ones. I'm not sure about euro yen and New Zealand yen. They hang in tough, strong. Sterling yen looks all right. I think it might bounce up to 150. I like it decently as a long. I don't think it takes out the lows yet. Depends if the futures are really down. Oil going lower, about to break through. Look at that oil chart. We bust through there and say goodnight. Oil definitely could come in under pressure. Looking at the futures, last but not least, if I can get to it. And again, info at Global FX Radio. Look at that little doji. Maybe we pop. I think we go lower. And then we turn around Tuesday.